you know that the sum of the interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. And WAEC will not ask you what the sum of the interior angles of a triangle is, but they will ask you to prove it, to prove that the sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. To prove that the sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degrees, we are going to consider this triangle. So let's call it triangle ABC. Let's call this angle X, and the angle at D, angle Y, while the angle at C, angle Z or Z. To prove that angle X plus angle Y plus angle Z is equal to 180 degrees, we need to do a little construction. We are going to draw a line through A. The line should be parallel to line BC, like this. In order not to confuse the line with the triangle, let's make that line dashed lines, like this. So let's call the line XY. Note that line XY is parallel to line BC. Now, the line XY has formed two exterior angles. There's an angle formed outside this triangle at this point, and another angle formed at this point. Since line XY is parallel to line BC, alternate angles are formed. That is, angle XAB and angle ABC are alternate angles. Also, angle YAC and angle ACB are alternate angles. So we say angle XAB is equal to angle ABC. Why do we say that? The reason is both angles are alternate angles, and alternate angles are equal. Similarly, angle YAC is equal to angle ACB. Reason, the same reason. They are alternate angles, and alternate angles are equal. Note that XAY is a straight line, and angles on a straight line add up to 180 degrees. That is, angle XAB, angle XAB plus this, angle BAC, angle BAC plus this angle YAC, angle YAC is equal to 180 degrees. Reason, angles on a straight line. But what is this saying? It is saying that all these angles angles XAB, angle BAC, and angle YAC are on the straight line XY. And if we add them up, we will get 180 degrees. Now, let's go back to our alternate angles. We said XAB is equal to angle ABC. And angle ABC is this. ABC is Y. Since alternate angles are equal, it means angle XAB is equal to Y because ABC is Y. Also, angle YAC is equal to angle ACB, and this is ACB. Angle ACB is Z. This means angle YAC is equal to Z, meaning that we could write Y here because these two angles are alternate angles. They are equal. That is what this is telling us. And we could write Z here because these two angles are alternate angles and they are equal. It therefore means that we can rewrite this expression using X, Y, and Z. So XAB is Y. Y, angle Y, plus angle BAC. BAC is X. So we have angle X plus angle YAC. YAC is Z. Angle Z is equal to 180 degrees. Remember the reason. All three angles, Y, X, and Z, Y, X, and Z, are on a straight line. So let's rearrange them alphabetically. That is, angle X plus angle Y plus angle Z is equal to 180 degrees. But remember, our interest is on the sum of angles in a triangle. So coming back to this triangle, what is the sum of the angles? X plus Y plus Z. And that is exactly what we have here. Hence, it is proved. Hence, proved. The sum of angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. If you love what you see, subscribe to this channel.